नेत्रा है और मैं प्रयाग आरोग्यम केंद्र में योगा क्लासेस जा रही हूँ. For the past 3 to 4 months, I'm going to yoga classes and I'm really loving it because morning I used to have online classes and evening I used to go for yoga classes. So morning I used to sit in front of these gadgets for almost like 6 to 7 hours, and evening when I go to yoga classes I really like it a lot because I feel so complete and get relieved from these gadgets and stuffs. My mind gets free and refreshed. So for the past 1 month, Archana ma'am is my yoga teacher and she's doing her job great. I'm really liking the way how she interacts with us and take classes. And in yoga specifically, I like to do the poses like cat pose, camel pose, a rabbit pose, more various poses. But these are the few poses which I like the most. So I'm just doing yoga for the past 3 to 4 months, but I can really see a lot of weight loss in me, and I'm really healthy and fit. So I really like doing yoga and I would suggest you all to also do yoga for a healthy and fit life. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Hello, I'm Kaushani and I've started doing yoga in Prakya Arogyam Kendra with Archana ma'am. She is very polite and she is also helping me very much for doing the yoga poses correctly. When I'm doing the yoga poses correctly, she is appreciating me, which is very inspiring for me to continue more. I also love dance and I had a pain in my leg which has been recovered by doing yoga. So thank you very much for healing me from this pain. So thank you, and I want to continue yoga.
Prayag Arogyam Kendra is one of the most prestigious, finest and preeminent yoga institute that I have ever came across. My name is Rajesh and I stay in Bangalore. The particular thing due to which they claim a leap forward with compared to other yoga institute is their modus operandi that they have. Here teachers not only teaches us the yoga thing, the yoga posture or the yoga asanas, but they also teaches us the philosophy and the epitome behind that particular yoga. Here teachers are highly positive in nature. Their motivational nudge gives us impetus to improve on yoga practices on regular day-to-day basis. Currently, I am doing yoga under the guidance of Mr. Suraj Rai. He is very positive person and he is having very sharp observation skill. He not only observes the particular position of my body with respect to my breathing pattern, but also he pointed out the synchronization or the mismatch between my yoga posture and my breathing thing. So I strongly recommend you to join this Prayag Arogyam Kendra to make your yoga practice very fine and lucid.
One of the best institutions I have seen. They are dedicated. The teacher they have assigned me is one of the wonderful persons I have ever met. He has made every exercise very easy and very comfortable for me. He is dedicated person who teaches you not only the exercise but what is the philosophy behind them, and at the same time he has a good command over literature and he talks about different literatures like Urdu, etc. I enjoy his company. In nutshell, I will recommend this institution because it is one of the best institutions I have found in India.